parents and children. Welcome to Joyous E-Class. I am teacher Yvonne. How are you today? Good. Have you prepared your learning box? Yes? Good job. Do you know what we're going to do today? Yes. Are you ready to go for the next session? Yes. Let's go.
Hello children, welcome back. I'm teacher Ong. Let's continue our lesson today. Just now, we turn ourselves into the aeroplanes. So can you do the aeroplane again?
Yes.
Yes. Aeroplane ready. Go, let's fly. Fly in the sky and what is this? Oh, the aeroplane must fly, follow the light, follow their own path, so they won't lose their way. Yes, so today we're going to help the aeroplane to fly on their own path. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Let's get one color pencil, marker pen or crayon, anything you have. Okay, I give you 5 seconds. Go get your pencil, color pencil, marker pen or the crayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Take the crayon, take the marker, and then we're going to help the aeroplane. Yes, going to help the first one. This is a horizontal line. We just follow the dot. Let's fly. Yes, very good. The last one is blue color aeroplane, and this also a horizontal line. Put your pen and 1, 2, 3. Let's fly. Shoo. Oh, must follow the dot. Oh, yes. Good job. And the third one, you may change other color. Did you want to change to orange color? I got the orange color. Get ready. Oh, this is a big curve. Wow. Get ready. Put your pen here. 1, 2, 3. Let's fly. Must follow the dot, okay? Shoo. Oh, shoo. Almost there, almost there. Yeah. Well done. The last one. This path looks complicated. Can you do it?
Yes.
Yes, very good. We can do together. Get ready. Put on here the starting point. 1, 2, 3. Let's fly. Shoo. Oh, must follow the light. Oh. Shoo. And yeah. We reach our destination. Well done, everyone. That's all for our lesson today. I will see you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Did you enjoy the lesson of today?
Yes.
What have we learned? We learned
Tracing line.
awesome. You did a great job of today. We shall see you on next lesson. Bye.